Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Apple stock and why I personally think that Apple stock is undervalued going into their September 14th event, where they unveil new iPhones, new Apple Watches, new AirPods, new iPads, and all sorts of Apple products. I think that they're severely undervalued going into this event. We'll be discussing why. We'll be discussing everything that Apple plans to unveil on that in this event, and what they might even unveil secretly that I actually am placing a lot of my bets on. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below after you watch this video. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or anything. Also, go ahead and smash the like button before we get in the video, and subscribe if you want to watch more of my content in the future. Now let's head straight into the video. Okay, so Apple is unveiling some quite cool products, as we have the iPhone 13 coming out, we have more iPads coming out, we have a new set of AirPods coming out, which is interesting because we already have the AirPods normal, we have the AirPods Pro, and we have the AirPods Pro Maxes. So it's kind of interesting to see what new iteration we will have coming forward. We also have more iPads, everything. We have a lot coming forward from Apple, and that's very interesting. We also have another Apple Watch, as we've had new Apple Watch iterations since 2016, and I think that we are going to have an extra selection that people aren't anticipating, and I think that Apple has been waiting and waiting and waiting to finally get a big new product out, and I think that they've been waiting to innovate, and I think that they've seen those around them take on AI projects. With that, I think that Apple will be unveiling something like a virtual reality or AR type of product. I think that Apple knows that they need to continue to innovate in order to stay at the top, and I think that they see those around them like Google, Facebook, Amazon, all these big tech companies and just big companies in general are starting to innovate a lot, especially in the realm of AR, VR, and just AI as a whole. And I think that Apple knows that they're kind of lagging behind, and I think that's where they're going to place a lot of their emphasis going forward. Now, I don't know this for sure. However, I know that Apple loves to innovate, and they obviously don't want to be left behind. So I would be personally very excited. That's probably one of the biggest things in this Apple event. If Apple does discuss an AR, VR / AI type of product for the future and kind of a vision for us, I think that would be huge for them. And also, I think that just their products in general, they're continuing to sell, they're continuing to innovate just with their products that are already set up, and I think that they're going to slam sales this year. I think that people still have a lot more money than they used to have before. I think jobs are quite abundant. I think some people might have some leftover stimulus, some people were able to build wealth during the pandemic, and I think that Apple sales are going to definitely jump this year. And I know a lot of people are worried about inflation and about all these different worries, because there's a lot of worries for the market. However, I think that Apple is definitely a company that is tried and true, and I think it's going to continue to persist and continue to grow, even though there's really high expectations set. Now that they continue to beat earnings, I think that they still have a large amount to go. So I'm very excited for their event. I can't wait to see the new products. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think that the stock could jump after we see some products, especially if we see something new. So I'm also excited for that as an Apple stock shareholder. Also, go ahead and smash the like button if you did enjoy this video, and subscribe if you do want to watch more of my content in the future. See you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset.